Are you looking for the best camera to capture unforgettable moments from concerts and live shows? Look no further. In this video, we cover the top 5 cameras that are perfect for recording those incredible memories. From DSLRs to mirrorless systems, we give you an in-depth breakdown of each one's features and discuss which is best suited for your needs. Get ready to find out which camera will help you capture all the energy of a live show and create professional-grade recordings. Our first choice is the Sony A7R IV is a full-frame mirrorless camera that has taken the world of photography by storm. It features an impressive 42.4 MP back-illuminated exmir CMOS image sensor and a wide range of features to help you capture stunning shots with ease. The in-body stabilization system provides up to 5 stops of image stabilization, making it one of the best cameras for shooting handheld photos. In addition, its 0.78x magnification OLED electronic viewfinder gives you precision control over your shot composition and framing. The A7R IV also has excellent focusing capabilities thanks to its sophisticated hybrid autofocus system, which combines 693 phase detection points with 425 contrast detection points for fast, accurate focusing even in low light conditions. Our second choice is the Nikon Z9 is a highly anticipated full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers. It features a 45-megapixel sensor, a new image processor, 8K video recording, and up to 120 frames per second continuous shooting. The camera is built with a durable magnesium alloy body, has an improved autofocus system with 1053 focus points, and supports dual card slots for CF Express Type B and XQD memory cards. The Nikon Z9 also has a tilting touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. Overall, the Nikon Z9 is an advanced camera with impressive specifications and features for photographers who demand the highest image quality and performance. Our third choice is the Fujifilm XT5 is one of the most advanced cameras in the market today. It provides photographers with a wide range of features and capabilities that make it perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. With its 24.3 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, fast autofocus system, 4K video recording, and more, it's no wonder why this camera has become so popular among photographers. This powerful camera offers a great combination of image quality and performance for its price point. The Fujifilm XT5 boasts an impressive 15 frames per second burst shooting speed and up to 325 shots per battery charge. Its high-resolution 3-inch touchscreen LCD helps users easily access menus and settings while also providing clear live view images for use during photography sessions or when watching videos recorded with the camera. Our fourth choice is the Canon EOS R3 is a professional-level full-frame mirrorless camera that boasts a 24.1 megapixel back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor, Digic X processor, and a powerful AF system with up to 1053 AF points. It is designed for sports, wildlife, and news photographers, with features such as blackout-free shooting at up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, and body detection AF, and the ability to shoot 6K oversampled video. The camera also features a weather-sealed body, a built-in vertical grip, and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, making it a versatile and reliable tool for professional photographers. Our last choice is the Panasonic Lumix LX10 is a compact camera that features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch MOS sensor, a 24 to 72 mm f/1.4-2.8 Leica DC Vario Summilux lens, and a 3-inch touchscreen LCD that tilts 180 degrees for easy selfies and vlogging. It can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second and 1080p slow-motion video at up to 120 frames per second. Other features include built-in Wi-Fi, 4K photo mode, and a maximum ISO of 12,800. The LX10 also offers full manual control and RAW shooting capabilities for more advanced photographers. If you want to buy the product, you can click the link of this product in our video description. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, that is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.